Merlin, network magic, Docker container API exploration. Hey everybody, John Capobianco is back, and I thought we would explore. First, let's try to trigger a build with the REST API, but I believe we can do even more now that we have Docker containers with REST and with APIs. So let's start by setting up the triggered build. So we go into our repository, our Merlin here, and under builds, configure automated builds. Down here, there's a build trigger. So let's add a trigger calling it, we'll just call it Postman. And there's our URL. So let's just try this, and this is a post. So let's launch Postman. Now I'm not sure what kind of auth this needs or anything like that. If it's basic auth or, so let's set up a new collection called Docker Hub. And we'll leave it as no auth for now, but we can come back to that. And let's make a new request. And this is a post, and we're going to say trigger build. And let's put this here, and let's just try it. Well, there's our build settings. And there's the image, the owner, the GitHub. State was success. So now in theory, if I go back here to my builds, I should have some builds kicked off here. I don't see any. Ah, there they are. Look at it. All queued up and ready to go. So that was easy enough. Configure automated builds, set up a trigger, and now we can do it through a post. Now I happen to be doing it through Postman, but you have to remember this opens up a whole another world of development for us. If we have some other Python or button that we want to make or something like that, a front end in a Flask UI or an HTTP page, we can now trigger that post to go kick off the builds just with a button or with an API call, a request.post, right? Very neat stuff.